Hey guys, it's Zach. So today I'm going to make a quick video covering this guitar that I've been working on for a client. I'm not going to get into any real specifics with it. I mean, in no details of toolpaths, just kind of a general overview, and you can see the approach, and I'll run the simulation for you. And just another part to kind of show off, to show you what we're able to do and the kind of things that we're working with. So this part's going to start out with just a solid piece of wood, of course. Roughly, I believe I have that as 14 by 23 or so. Maybe a little longer, because I know we ended up changing these two circles you see right here. That's pinholes, and you can really put them wherever, but that'll get done on op 1, and that'll be what we use when we flip it over to orient the part properly on op 2. So the order that I did this in, I profiled the part, not going all the way through, a little over halfway I think is what we ended up with. I went through and did the neck here, did this pocket to depth, and I think we changed some of the depths where they don't match the model perfectly, which that's not a big deal. Did this main pocket through here, this one went through the output jack pocket, the alignment holes like I said. Taper, you can't see what's selected, but that's this taper right here. I did a lot of this roughing work with a 1/2 inch, so I roughed this taper with that same flat 1/2 inch, and then I'd finished the taper with a ball nose, and then these last two are these radius edges around the profile of the guitar that got finished. So then, like I said, it gets flipped over and uses pins in those holes. And I think on op 1 he's putting some clamps in the corners because it clears. And you can do the same for op 2, but you can also tape this body down as well. So op 2, do this level down to that depth. This pocket down to that depth in there. If you can see that little, it's basically just that edge because we roughed through on op 1. So I'm finishing that. Finishing the profile. In some of these orders we may have to flip around because at this point I'm cutting the guitar free. And then the last thing, again, that same flat 1/2 inch, I roughed this surface out. And then I finished the surface with a ball nose, and then again, same for these radius edges on the profile. So we're going to run through the simulation real quick and probably wrap this video up and keep it kind of short just to give you guys an idea. I may make a couple more videos to dig into each operation or something and show more specifics on toolpath and how I selected it, because some of the radius edges especially were kind of tricky around the profile of the guitar, to keep them basically on that surface and not cutting a bunch of air, not wasting a bunch of time cutting in different places. So let me let this load. I'm going to try to slow it down a little bit and let it run. Let you guys watch it. Don't want to be too slow here. Again, doing the profile, not going all the way through, I believe a little over halfway. Roughing that out. And I'm doing finish passes on everything. I know that was kind of quick so you didn't see it, but I think we're doing about 3/8 depth of cut per. It's just different woods that he's using. I think the plan is just to break those little tabs off because they're so small. So again, rough that out. So that'll end up steppy after the flat 1/2 inch. 1/4 inch ball nose. And that same 1/4 inch is going to go around the profile like I mentioned. Let's speed these up a little bit. They take a while to run. There's a little collision. So yeah, it's just running around finishing all those surfaces. And again, did that level first, and now I'm coming back and wiping out that step basically. Now here we're cutting through to finish off the profile, again roughing that surface out, coming back with a same 1/4 inch ball nose. There's about, I think, just 2 tools on this whole part actually, 1/2 inch flat and then a 1/4 inch ball. Let's speed this up again for all the ball nose. And again, I'm going to make a video to get more into depth of some of the specifics about it, but I'm trying to get some of these videos out here just to give you guys an idea, kind of get a variety of parts and make some different things, stuff like this. And then I have that video on the AR lower, and then some videos to come of more just like job shop work. So random parts, but some of them are very unique. So I like to give people an idea of what we are capable of and what the software is capable of. So if you have any questions or if there's something specific you want me to cover, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.